Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start inside the game. Open Settings, then Controller immediately and pick the Only Way profile so changes apply to your online run. You do this because Only Way can use a specific control set different from my team or Play Now. Once in the controller menu, scan the current mappings and take a quick screenshot or write down the defaults. This protects you if a change breaks feel. Now select Edit Bindings to begin making the first tactile swaps. You focus on remapping core inputs so muscle memory stays intact during Only Way matches. Start with shoot, pass, dunk, and sprint. These are used constantly. Then move to icon pass and pump fake so you don't fumble under pressure. Once you set button assignments, adjust stick sensitivity and vibration to match your timing. Higher sensitivity tightens response while lower smooths flicks. Make 1 or 2 changes at a time and test them in a short practice session to confirm they feel right. You finalize by saving the profile under a clear name like Only Way Pro because saving prevents lost edits. Once saved, test in warm-up or a short Only Way session to expose timing and accidental inputs. If something misfires, make small tweaks rather than major overhauls. This isolates the issue. If controls seem broken, reload your backup defaults, check for conflicting bindings, and rebind one control at a time until normal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.